What's going on, guys? Now, many of you know that we've covered many different AI coding pair programming tools on this channel, such as AI IDEs, AI extensions. We've covered Cline, RooCode, Tray, Windsurf, Cursor, Augment Code. The list goes on, and if some of you may remember, we also covered an AI IDE, which is a fork of VS Code called PearAI. We covered this tool almost 5 months ago, a few different times. And since then, it's got some major upgrades that are really game-changing and just different than a lot of the other AI IDEs that I've been seeing out there. And apparently, they even got Chamath from the All In podcast, one of my favorite podcasts, to actually go ahead and use PearAI. Now, PearAI is open source, and we're going to take a look at these new updates to fill you in with this AI IDE and see how it compares to something like Cursor or Windsurf in the IDE race. Let's dive right into it. All right, guys, so let's start on PearAI's website because it got revamped too now, and it really explains well what PearAI is and how it's different. All right, so I'm going to play this video right here of Chamath apparently saying he's going to use PearAI.
So I am going to try Pair. So those are the next two kind of like tools that are on my hit list to try to be quote unquote a more productive engineer. Now I'm a terrible, shitty engineer, so I am going to try.
That's pretty crazy that Chamath is going to use Pair. They're definitely making some waves in this space right now, so pretty cool to see. A few months ago, there was some controversy with PearAI, but now that has rolled over, and I remember a lot of people were wondering, okay, where is PearAI going to go after this? They had this huge controversy. We talked about it on this channel, and what I said is I thought if they make a good product, then they definitely can recover. The two founders of PearAI, they have a big social presence and whatnot, so they definitely have the distribution. They really just need to make a good product. And in these last few months, since I haven't been really checking it out, and now I'm checking it out, I would definitely say that it looks like a huge improvement. I saw them talking about this improvements that they were going to make on their YouTube channel, and now they actually implemented it and it shipped. So that's cool to see. So basically what some of these upgrades are is now PearAI is not just a fork of ContinuDev, because it was really just a fork of ContinuDev VS Code, and then they, altered it, whatnot. But now it also has other forks within it. So it has coding with RooCode and Cline. It has predict with Superwaven. It has remember with Mem0, and then search with Perplexity, and then chat and edit with Continue. So all these different tools are combined into PearAI. And I think this is really cool to see. I think it's a good idea that they had. It'll be interesting to test this out. The PearAI's competitive advantage that they're trying to go after is basically being able to natively integrate all the other best AI tools into one powerful editor under the hood, which is definitely an interesting approach to take to the market. And then we can see that there's different models that you'll be able to access. So PearAI model, and Claude Sonnet 3.5, GPT-4o, there's Meta Llama 3.1, and then open sources transparency. They have some demos right here showcasing how to talk with your code base, make features, refactors, or bug fixes. So if you look at the pricing right here, you'll see there's an intern plan right here for free, which allows you to use the free trial or use your own API key or local models. Then you also get access to community Discord. You can download that on Windows, Linux, Mac. Then there's a junior engineer plan for $15, and then the 10x engineer for $10. And you can see the plans right here if you want to pause that. But so yeah, with Cursor, I'm paying $20 a month. And then with Windsurf, I'm paying $10 a month. So it's actually the cheapest just because I got the early bird pricing for that. This pricing is not bad. It's definitely cheaper than Cursor's. All right, so once you actually open up PearAI and you have it downloaded, this is what it's going to look like. So I do like the UI. Of course, it is a fork of VS Code, so it looks very similar. You have all the different standard things you could do with VS Code. You can do here. You can install extensions and all that good stuff. Now, if you look up here on the right side, you'll see this is where you have the chat. Okay, so PearAI chat, which is powered by Continue. Looks like a really nice UI. You can see you can make inline edits right here, add selections to chat. You have context here. You can select files, code base, diffs, terminals, all this different stuff, code base, directory structure, add more context providers. Pretty cool. And then over here, we have our agent. So PearAI coding agent, which is powered by RooCode/Cline. And this is an autonomous coding agent that has access to development environment with your permissions for feedback loops to add features, fix bugs, and more. So this is essentially like Cursor's Composer and Windsurf's Cascade. Next over here, we have PearAI Search. So this is powered by Perplexity. So AI-powered search engine, up-to-date information, docs, libraries, also good for non-coding specific questions. So this is useful too, to have all this right directly in the AI IDE, because lots of times you do want to use Perplexity because it's one of the best search AI tools while you're searching up for these things. So good that they have this under the hood. And then here, memory. So this is powered by Mem0. We can see memory is a self-improving memory layer when you're using PearAI chat for a personalized experience. Memories will be added automatically, and you can also add memories manually. And then right now we have no memories, so PearAI automatically remembers coding information as you code with PearAI chat. So pretty cool. You can click on add memory here and add a memory manually, which is also awesome to see as well. All right, so here I'm saying create me a beautiful CRM in HTML and CSS that looks very modern, and we're going to use the agent right here. So pair agent, and let me just move this over so you can see right here. I just put this text here. Now what you could do if you want is to click this prompt button, and it should enhance the prompt, which is nice that they have this feature as well. As you can see here too, we could add images, we could add context. You know, you can see right here, there's the, okay, so they have different profiles too. So code profile, architect profile, ask profile, and then you could edit ones here. Okay, so this is exactly, I just went into edit it, and now we can see our prompt section. So mode specific prompts, you can see architect, ask, code. So everything that you would see within Cline, and then enhanced prompts, support prompts. So I'm not going to go through the entire Cline stuff. It's very, there's a lot of different features, of course. I would definitely recommend checking out my RooCode and Cline videos to see more of that. And then if we click edit here, you can see you can configure different profiles, edit different ones, select your API provider. So right now we're using PearAI, but if I wanted to go select something like Open Router, I could do that. Enter my API key, and then we're good to go. Now I can go ahead and say, create me a beautiful CRM in HTML that looks very modern. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and send it. So you can see we got the RooCode interface right here, task. You can see our cost right here. You can see the API request. So, okay, to design this visually stunning CRM, we're going to have to do this, this, and that. Agent wants to switch to code mode because we need to use it and create files for the CRM interface implementation. I'm going to say approve. Oh, and we could also just simply go to auto approve right here and then do toggle on. Let's just toggle on all these because YOLO. And then now you can see that it should just go ahead and do these requests without asking us for permission. Yeah, honestly, it makes a lot of sense to be a fork of RooCode or Cline because they are really such great open source extension tools. So yeah, it's doing its thing right now. It's doing exactly how, you know, RooCode or Cline would do. So if you're familiar with that, you'll know the quality that it's generating. Okay, and now boom, it successfully created this CRM apparently. Let's go ahead and test it out. So it's running this command right here. Okay, and boom, here we have our CRM with the very first prompt. Dashboard, contacts, tasks, analytics. Okay, we can see a little animation here. So pretty cool stuff. I'm going to tell it to make all these different pages work. I'm saying, great, make all these pages actually work to new pages in menu bar. So it has a little, all right, so the test says that it has completed, has a little bit different UI here, which is cool. Let's go ahead and check the contacts page here. All right, so we went ahead and refresh it here. We can see the home page right here. So view your dashboard, manage your contacts, view your tasks, see analytics. If we click view dashboard, we can see our dashboard. Click on contacts, we can see our contacts. Tasks, we can see tasks. Analytics, and of course we could go and in-depth individually build out each one of these pages to be a little bit more intricate. But I think you get the point when it comes to the agent side of things. With chat, you know, very similar to, you can talk to your code base. So you could ask it any question right here, ask it to code something, you know, write some code right here. Like you see it's writing code now, and then you could apply to current file or fast apply or insert at cursor or copy this code. So your standard chat AI feature you would have in many different AI pair programmers. Next, if we go to search here, this is awesome because this is powered by Perplexity. So if we go ahead, I'm saying search up all the most recent updates for the newest React docs. We go ahead and send this. Okay, and boom, we have Perplexity directly in the IDE. So you can see your sources right here, which is awesome. And you can see it here nicely formatted, listing its sources as well. So this is actually a really cool feature that they have that I haven't seen really any other tool have. You could, of course, take the information that you find here from Perplexity, add it over as context into chat or agent, or you could even add it as a memory, which is pretty cool. So if you wanted, you could actually take information here, go over to memories, add a memory, save that, and then you can, you know, start piling up those memories. So, all right, so that's pretty much it, guys. I would definitely recommend checking out PearAI. Check out some of their YouTube videos too from the founders, Frying Pan and Nang. I think they're doing a pretty good job so far with this tool, and I'm very excited to see where they actually take it. I think it's a really cool concept, you know, including all the different tools under one hood. Maybe they'll get more different tools as ones come out. But let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below, guys. Have you used PearAI lately since the new updates came out? Because I can definitely tell you that it is 100% better than the old version of PearAI a few months ago. So guys, if you want to stay up to date with all the latest on PearAI, as well as other AI coding IDEs, and all the news surrounding AI coding, AI agents, marketing, sales, business growth, then make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with our future videos. And if you got some value here, make sure to like the video, comment down below, let me know your thoughts. And guys, if you haven't already joined our free Facebook group and Discord channel, stridecommunity.com, I'll leave a link down below. And then also too, guys, definitely check out our Stride AI Academy for behind the scenes resources, tools, trainings, etc. And then also too, guys, if you run a business and you need help implementing AI growth solutions into your businesses like AI cold calling, AI appointment setters, AI automation agents, then book a call down below at executivestride.com/apply and we can see if it's a fit or not. Or if you're a founder, developer, entrepreneur, whatever the case is, and you want to actually sell these same AI solutions to other business owners as an AI agency and get our exact protocol on how to do this and charge 2 to 10K plus, book a call down below as well. Other than that, guys, I will see you in the next video. Keep hustling, keep grinding, and of course, guys, accelerate your stride. Take care. Are you tired of pouring thousands of dollars into appointment setters only to watch leads slip away? Imagine having a team of elite sales agents booking qualified appointments for you around the clock. No more wasted time on training, no more frustration with performance, and no more draining your budget on inconsistent and expensive call centers. Introducing Stride Agents, AI-powered appointment setters that work 24/7, never get tired, and book appointments while you sleep. Trained on thousands of successful conversations, our AI agents outperform human teams at just 1/10 of the cost. Join the ranks of businesses that doubled their appointments and booking rates in just a matter of weeks. Don't get left behind in the AI revolution. Visit strideagents.com now and transform your entire sales process with cutting-edge AI technology. It's time to accelerate your stride with AI agents.